Hello everyone. In the today's session, we are going to see the maximum digit of a given number. But before starting the session, I would like to say one thing that this video is meant purely to make the concept understandable to the pupil who got quarantined during this lockdown period. This video is made purely with the resources available with us. Coming to the point, maximum digit of a given number. Here a number will be given. That number consists of many digits. Within those digits, the maximum digit has to be identified, and that identified maximum digit has to be displayed as an output. Let us go ahead with the help of an example. The example here is 1874. It consists of the various digits in various places. For example, 4 is there in 1's place, 7 is there in the 10th place, 8 is there in the 100th place, and 1 is there within the 1000th place. So finally, the digits which are present within the number 1874 are 1, 8, 7 and 4. Among all these digits, the greatest digit is 8. So therefore, obviously, the maximum digit of a given number is none other than 8. Now, we are going to see the logic that we are supposed to follow in order to find out the maximum digit of a given number. This is the logic for finding the maximum digit of a given number. Let us take the same example, 1874. That 1874 consists of 4 in 1's place, 7 in the 10th place, 8 in the 100th place, 1 in the 1000th place. Let us take the variable called REM. This REM stores the units digit of a given number. Max stores the maximum digit of a given number. And here there is something called as digit stored in max. That means the comparison is actually made between REM and max. The comparison is made between REM and max. After the comparison, the greater digit is going to get finally stored within the max variable. Let us see how it is going to work out. 1874 is the number REM. Initially it consists of the value called 0. Max also initially it consists of the value called 0. Here I would like to explain one simple technique. Here we are about to find out the maximum digit of a given number. While you are finding out the maximum digit of a given number, you have to take a variable called as a max. Within that, you are supposed to take it for granted that the maximum digit is initially 0. I repeat, while finding the maximum digit of a given number, you are supposed to take the variable called as a max, and within that max variable, you have to take it for granted that maximum digit is 0. Initially, it is going to be 0. And 1874 is a number, REM value is 0, max value is also 0, digit stored within the max is 0. Now I start extracting digit by digit from the number 1874. units digit is 4. This units digit 4 is extracted into the REM. Units digit 4 is extracted to the REM. Now REM value is equal to 4, but max already consists of 0. The comparison is made between 4 and 0. 4 greater than 0 means it is true. Because it is true, here a tick mark is made. Please observe that. 4 greater than 0. 4 greater than 0 is true. That means because 4 is greater, that greater value called 4 is finally going to get stored within the max variable. Now, second step. Within the second step, 187. 7 is present within the one's place. That 7 is extracted here. That 7 is extracted here. So that the number is going to become 18. REM value consists of the digit called 7. Max consists of the digit called as a 4. The 4 present within the max variable is taken here and it is compared with the 7 which is present within the units place. The 7 which is present in the units place is extracted and the max value, both of them are compared. 7 greater than 4 is true. Because it is true, the highest value, the maximum value is going to get stored within the max. The greater value is 7, 7 is stored. Now we have the number called 18. From that number 18, one's place consists of 8. That 8 is extracted from the number called 18. So that 18 will become 1 here. 8 is extracted here. The max value consists of the digit called 7. That 7 is placed here and the comparison is made between 8 and 7. Among the 8 and 7, 8 is greater. 8 greater than 7 is true. So therefore 8 is stored here within the max. Now the number became 1. One's place consists of the 1. That 1 is also extracted here. Whenever the 1 is extracted, the number became 0. The 1 which is extracted from the original number is compared with the 8 which is present within the max. Both of them are compared. 1 greater than 8 is false. Because 1 greater than 8 is false, 1 is lesser, 8 is greater. So therefore 8 is going to get stored within the max variable. Finally, the maximum digit is equal to 8. Now we are going to see the program to find out the maximum digit of a number. So import java.util.star. This is an import statement. Public class max digit. This is the declaration of the class. Public static void main string args. Declaration of the main function. Scanner in is equal to new scanner of system.in. This is the declaration of the scanner class object. Int n comma rem comma max. These all are the variables. What are the variables? N, rem, max are the variables which are declared of int data type. Each and every variable has a specific purpose. Let us find out what is that purpose. N is the number input. REM, it finds the unit digit of a number. Max, it finds the maximum digit of a number, and finally the maximum digit is going to get stored within the max variable. At present, we don't know what is the n value. Because we don't know the n value, we don't know the units digit of the n value. Similarly, we don't know the maximum digit of that n. So therefore, REM value is initialized to 0 and max value is also initialized to 0. Now system dot out dot println enter a number. It is a prompt made. So it is asking for the input. N is equal to in dot next int. The number input is read by using the next int method. While n not equals to 0. Here a while loop is made to run and it consists of the condition. This is the condition that n not equals to 0. If the n not equals to 0, then the loop will be able to run, and if the n value is equal to 0, the loop is going to get stopped. Here we consider the example called 1874. That 1874 not equal to 0. That is true. Because it is true, it will be able to enter the loop. REM is equal to n modulo 10. N value is 1874. So 1874 modulo 10, it is equal to 4. So REM value consists of 4. If REM greater than max, that means if remainder value is greater than max value, then remainder value is only going to get stored within the max. That is the logic that we adopt within this program. This is the core part and this is the very important part of this entire program that you are supposed to follow. Let us see how it is going to work with the help of an example. If REM greater than max, here we already saw that REM value is equal to 4, but max value is not changed. Max value remained as it is. So max value is equal to 0. REM value is 4, max value is equal to 0, REM greater than max, 4 greater than 0, both of them are compared. When both of them are compared, 4 greater than 0 is true. So REM greater than max is true. Here what is it? Max is equal to REM. Within the max variable, REM value is going to get stored. That REM value is equal to 4. So therefore, 4 is going to get stored within the max. After this, n is equal to n by 10. The n value is going to get diminished by 10. That means in our example, n is equal to 1874 by 10. It is going to result in the 187. However, one thing has to be noted that this entire steps and the practical implementation of the set of the statements is demonstrated only for one iteration of the while loop. However, it is practically impossible to demonstrate all the iterations of this while loop here. All the iterations will be demonstrated within the execution part of the program. But here, for time being, for better understanding, only for the first iteration, how the variable values are going to get changed, and all are demonstrated here. N is equal to n by 10, n is equal to 1874 by 10, 187. This 187 again not equal to 0, again it enters the loop, and again the set of the statements are performed, so on and it goes on till that 187 becomes 18, 18 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. When 1 becomes 0, then the iterations are going to stop and the loop is going to get terminated. By the time the loop is terminated, the max digit is equal to 8, because 1874, 8 is the maximum digit. So therefore, 8 is going to get displayed.